Let's learn numbers.
Number 1 is between numbers 0 and 2. This is number 1. The Cyclops has one eye. 1 1
Trace number 1. 1 looks like a pencil. Perfect! Complete the puzzle. Great! Choose all the cards with number 1. Great! Let's move on. Let's continue. Amazing!
Number 2 is between numbers 1 and 3. This is number 2. People have 2 eyes. 2 2
Trace number 2. 2 looks like a duck. Good job. Complete the puzzle. Amazing! Choose all the cards with number 2. Let's continue. Let's move on. Keep it up.
Number 3 is between numbers 2 and 4. This is number 3. The triangle has 3 sides. 3 3 3
Trace number 3. 3 looks like a snake. Fantastic! Complete the puzzle. Well done! Choose all the cards with number 3. Let's continue. Great! Let's move on. Super!
Great, now you know number 3. High five. Number 4 is between numbers 3 and 5. This is number 4. The dragonfly has 4 wings. 4 4. 4.
Trace number 4. 4 looks like a sail. Good job. Complete the puzzle. Amazing! Choose all the cards with number 4. Great! Let's move on. Let's continue. Awesome!
Yeah! Great, you have learned number 4. High five. Yeah! Number 5 is between numbers 4 and 6. This is number 5. People have 5 fingers on each hand and 5 toes on each foot. 5. 5.
Trace number 5. 5 looks like a seahorse. Well done! Complete the puzzle. Very good. Choose all the cards with number 5. Let's move on. Let's move on. You got it.
Yeah! Cool, you have learned number 5. High five. Yeah!
Numbers from 6 to 10.
Yeah! Yeah! Number 6 is between numbers 5 and 7. This is number 6. The ant has 6 legs. 6. 6.
Trace number 6. 6 looks like a snail.
Wow! Wow!
Amazing! Complete the puzzle. Good job! Choose all the cards with number 6. Let's continue. Great! Let's move on. Right on!
Yeah! Cool, you have learned number 6. High five. Number 7 is between numbers 6 and 8. This is number 7. There are 7 colors of the rainbow. 7 7
Trace number 7. 7 looks like a crane. You've got it. Complete the puzzle. Excellent. Choose all the cards with number 7. Great. Let's move on. Let's continue. Awesome.
Number 8 is between numbers 7 and 9. This is number 8. The octopus has 8 arms. 8 8 8 8
Trace number 8. 8 looks like a teddy bear. Complete the puzzle. You are doing very well. Choose all the cards with number 8. Let's continue. Great. Let's move on. Super.
Great, now you know number 8. High five. Number 9 is between numbers 8 and 10. This is number 9. Santa's sleigh is pulled by 9 reindeer. 9 9 9
Trace number 9. 9 looks like a whale. Well, complete the puzzle. Amazing! Choose all the cards with number 9. Great! Let's move on. Let's move on. Fantastic!
Great, you have learned number 9. High five. Number 10 comes after number 9. This is number 10. The crab has 10 legs. 10 10 10 10 10 10
Trace number 10. 10 looks like candy. complete the puzzle. Very good. Choose all the cards with number 10. Let's move on. Great. Let's move on. You are doing very well.
Yeah! Great, you have learned number 10. High five.